Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you the brand new brand system in the Canva. I know the brand kit was already part of the Canva, but now it's even more powerful. And it's now not only called brand kit, now it's already called brand system because it's also AI powered, really powerful, nice, beautiful system. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment, hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep getting content for you. But now let's get started. So here in a brand, if I click on it, we can see the one important thing is the guidelines where you can read about everything like that. Introduction, purpose, about the brand, mission, vision, logo. We can add the primary logo, secondary logo, use the logo. How can you use it? We can do also the colors, which is also important. Color combination and accessibility, typography, the brand tagline, voice. We can also add the brand voice, which is a really important thing. That's how can we use, so we have our own brand voice. This helps to the AI to create the property. Now we can create a post with the AI, like or any graphics or anything with the AI. But for example, if we would like to create a social media post with the AI, with the brand voice, the system already know how to talk, what is our mission, how to call to the audience. So that's really help for the also the AI, and this is really help us to create better products. Like you see tone variants, also photography, we can add photos, general guidelines, graphics, we can also upload graphics, even logo, icons, what we are using. Always what we are always using, then with those icons will be used for all kind of not all kind of publications, not only for social media. Even we can create everything, literally everything what is possible in the Canva. Also we can create add the charts, how the chart looks like. There's also, we can also add the brand application, so that's really amazing stuff. So here we can choose between the brands what we already added, or create a new brand kit. Is still called brand kit, so that's a brand system and brand kit a bit misleading time to time. So before that was brand kit, they still keep using this name brand kit, but now it's a bit more complex, and this is why they rephrase to brand system. So create a new brand kit, and I just have to add a name. Let's be Pinterest 2, create, and here when the magic starts. So we can add the website of the company, which is really good. Then the system start to collect things what's possible, or we can also upload our guidelines. But now I just use the Pinterest again, so just click on this icon, and the system start to collect the basic data. So can find the logos, so just use the logos from the Pinterest website. As you can see, already all different variants in a different formats, and also the brand colors. But for the Pinterest is also very easy, and all the others, as you can see, is empty. So no charts, no icons, no graphics, no photos, no brand voice. The brand voice is actually, you can write what we want. That's really amazing. Here in the fonts, we can add for different fonts for all kind of stuff, like title, subtitle, heading, subheading, section header, body, quote, caption. So that's really amazing. And also colors, as you can see, already used, but we also had our own. And here, as is already showed their logos. And how can we use it? So if I go into the AI, just click on it. I just put that to set. I already created, like I already have the settings. So I made the design, social media, Instagram post, and oops, that was something wrong. I don't know, is this Canva can create something on my typo. That's also will be fun when the Canva creates something which is just touch the enter accidentally. Yeah, you can see already something not there. So Instagram post for a new Pinterest called collaboration. And here when the fun also starts, the plus icon, we can upload image, video or something. We can add also everything from Canva. We can import something from the different sources like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or we can add the brand kit. And add the brand kit Pinterest and just click on generate. That's a good thing because we already added the brand kit, which is at the moment is quite empty, as you can see already. So no brand voice, no font, no icons, no other things. So that will be randomly generated by the Canva, but the logos and the colors are already there. So as you can see, the Canva already created. This one is strange because it's not used the logos here. I think somewhere the best option is between those two. Now I will use this one, use Canva editor. And go into the brand kit, Pinterest, logos. I would have to add some logo from Pinterest because it's for sure it's needed. As you can see, it's already there, so I can just a bit smaller and to the top left and just a bit smaller and to here. Yes. Like to here and to the top corners. I also would like to add one Pinterest icon. Oops, that was a bit too big, I think. Looks like the system used some frames somewhere, so I just click on the control button and I can move it wherever I want. So it's already looks better. So it's already an amazing post was done by the Canva automatically. And as you can see, the power, and now we just use the brand colors and also the logos. But if we manually add our own brand voice, that will be more powerful. But in this case, the Canva AI already knows how we have to talk to the audience, and when we use also the different fonts for every settings, there's already additional thing to know the AI to which font type should use on this content, so that you can create a really unique set of posts done by automatically by the system, by the AI. And because you will also using the same brand voice, font type, also using the colors and logos, so in this case that will be harmonized to each other, which is a key to have a harmony between your post to get more, so to get your audience remember or memorize your brand easily. That's really important nowadays. So I think those tools together in the Canva, like this brand system, is really useful and powerful to generate a post, or also not one post, also 10 posts which are works together and looks similar but has a different tone, different images, so that will be really helpful for your brand. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to click on this small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section to help me to grow faster in the YouTube. Plus, if you have any question, just let me know and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description section, because you can find links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages, where you can find a bunch of another Canva tutorials and short tutorials. And as I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. But now, this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.